The Relentless Spirit, the story of Samuel Thompson. Read, imagine, learn English through stories. Samuel Thompson was born in a small farming village, where his family struggled to make ends meet. His father toiled on their drought-ridden land, and Samuel, watching his parents' hardships, vowed to change his life. He was an exceptional student, but his family's lack of resources made regular schooling impossible. To overcome this, Samuel worked odd jobs, often rising before dawn to save money for textbooks and tuition. At age 15, he had scraped together enough to attend high school. Samuel's days were long. He would work in the mornings, go to school, and study late into the night. Despite his difficult routine, his hard work paid off, and he soon became the top student in his class. However, when it came time for college, he was once again met with the obstacle of finances. Samuel refused to give up. He applied for every scholarship he could find, but after numerous rejections, only secured a small one that covered a portion of his tuition. Not deterred, Samuel took on several part-time jobs. He tutored younger students, worked as a janitor, and even did night shifts as a factory guard. He was determined to succeed no matter the sacrifice. Life at college was a constant juggling act between work and study. He would often find himself falling asleep over his books, but his resolve never wavered. His professors noticed his dedication and began to mentor him. Samuel developed a deep interest in agricultural science, motivated by the desire to help his village improve their farming techniques. By the time he graduated, Samuel had earned the respect of his peers and teachers alike. Armed with a degree in agricultural science, he returned to his village with one goal in mind: to transform the local farming practices and bring prosperity to his community. Bringing change to the village. When Samuel returned home, he was greeted with the same familiar sights: fields cracked from drought and families struggling to make a living. But he saw hope where others saw despair. Samuel gathered the farmers in his village and began teaching them new farming techniques he had learned in college. He showed them how to conserve water through drip irrigation, introduced crop rotation, and helped them use organic fertilizers to improve their yields. The villagers were skeptical at first, resistant to change. They had farmed the same way for generations, and Samuel's modern methods seemed too risky. But Samuel didn't give up. He worked alongside the farmers, demonstrating the results of the new techniques on his own family's land. Slowly, the village began to see the benefits. Crop yields increased, and for the first time in years, the village had a surplus of food. As word spread, neighboring villages began to adopt Samuel's methods. His impact grew beyond his own community, and soon Samuel was recognized by the government for his efforts to modernize rural farming. The once drought-stricken region became known for its innovative agricultural practices, and Samuel became a beacon of hope for struggling farmers everywhere. A legacy of hope. Samuel's relentless spirit transformed not only his own life, but the lives of countless others. He could have easily succumbed to the hardships of his upbringing, but he chose to rise above them. His story became an inspiration for young people in his village and beyond, proof that with enough determination, anyone can overcome adversity and make a difference in the world. As he grew older, Samuel never forgot his roots. He continued to work in his village, establishing agricultural training centers to teach future generations of farmers. He also used his knowledge to start scholarship programs for young students, ensuring that no child in his village would have to face the same financial struggles he did. Samuel Thompson's journey was one of hard work, persistence, and an unwavering belief in his dreams. Through sheer determination, he changed not only his own destiny, but the future of an entire region. Today, he is remembered as a man who never gave up, who saw potential in every challenge, and whose life became a testament to the power of a relentless spirit. Moral of the story: persistence is key. Samuel's journey reminds us that persistence in the face of hardship can open doors to great success. Education is empowerment. His dedication to education allowed him to uplift himself and his community. Impact beyond self. By using his knowledge to help others, Samuel created a legacy of positive change. Samuel's story teaches us that no matter where we start, if we remain determined, we can achieve incredible things, not just for ourselves but for those around us. Thanks for watching. Please follow us for more such videos. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.